Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will learn how to download and install COBOL on Windows. For that we need to install an ID, that is COBOL ID, which is free and open source. Go to the web browser. Herein open the following website. We have also mentioned this link in the description. This is the open COBOL ID. Go below and just download it. It will download 57 MB. Let's wait. So we have downloaded the exe file. Double click on it to install. Minimize. Now the setup started. Click next. License agreement, you can read the license agreement from here and click on I accept the agreement. After that click next. Destination location, it will get installed under the following location. You can click on browse and change the location, but keep it as it is fine. It will take only 254 MB of free space. Click next. Start menu folder, fine, keep it as it is and click on next. It will create a desktop icon. I just selected it. Click next. This is the summary of installation, ready to install. Click on install. Now it will install. We have installed COBOL ID. When I'll click on finish, it will launch. So I'll just uncheck this. Click finish. And we also have a desktop shortcut. So I'll open it by double clicking. So we have opened the COBOL ID to run a COBOL program. So guys, in this video we saw how we can set up COBOL on Windows. Thank you for watching the video.